Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting exponential equation. It is 2 power a plus 2 power b plus 2 power c equal to 148, given that a, b, c are natural numbers. So let's get it started by factoring our right hand side, which is one constant number 148. We will write equation 2 power a plus 2 power b plus 2 power c equal to 4 times 37. Now we are going to take 2 power a common from left hand side. So we can write here 2 power a common out in bracket 1 plus. We will write 2 power b over 2 power a plus 2 power c over 2 power a equal to 4 times 37. Now we'll be using one powerful exponent law which says a power x over a power y equal to a power x minus y. After using this property, we will get 2 power a times 1 plus 2 power b minus a plus 2 power c minus a equal to 4 times 37. From number theory, we know that if k belongs to natural numbers, then 2 power k will be always an even number. 2 power 1 is 2, which is even. 2 power 2 is 4, which is even. 2 power 3 is 8, which is even. Even number plus 1 means 2 power k plus 1 will be always an odd number. So we have 2 power a in LHS, which we will write an even number. 2 power b minus a will be even, 2 power c minus a will be even, even plus even will be even, plus 1 is odd. So this bracket will be odd. We have product of an even number with an odd number in LHS as well as in RHS. 4 is even, 37 is odd. So even times odd in RHS, even times odd in LHS. We have to only compare even number with even number, odd number with odd number. We'll be writing two equations. 2 power a equal to 4, 1 plus 2 power b minus a plus 2 power c minus a equal to 37. Now we can write 4 as 2 square. Once bases are same, we can compare our exponents. So from here, a must be 2. We'll write here a equal to 2. Now our second equation is 1 plus 2 power b minus a plus 2 power c minus a equal to 37. We'll subtract 1 from both the sides and write 2 power b minus a plus 2 power c minus a equal to 37 minus 1, which is equal to 36. Now we have a value 2, which we are going to apply here. So 2 power b minus 2 plus 2 power c minus 2 equal to 36. Using same law of exponent, we will write 2 power b over 2 square, which is 4, plus 2 power c over 2 square, which is 4, equal to 36. Now to eliminate 4 from the denominator, we need to multiply both sides by 4. So we'll multiply in RHS and LHS. After expanding our LHS, we will get 2 power B plus 2 power C equal to 36 times 4. 36 can be written as 9 times 4. We have 4. Now 9 can be written as 3 square. 4 can be written as 2 square. Next 4 is 2 square once again. Now we will club these two and write 3 square times 2 power 2 plus 2 will be 2 power 4. So I can write 2 power B plus 2 power C equal to 2 power 4 times 3 square. We'll take 2 power B common from LHS and write 2 power B times 1 plus 2 power C over 2 power B in left hand side. And in RHS we'll write 2 power 4 times 3 square. Again 2 power B, this is an even number. 1 plus 2 power C over 2 power B will be always odd number. In RHS we have product of even number with odd number. We can compare even with even and write 2 power B equal to 2 power 4. Bases are same. We will compare exponents. So our B will be equal to 4. So A is 2, B is 4. Now our target is to find C. Now we will compare odd part. So we will write 1 plus 2 power C over 2 power B equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. We'll subtract 1 from both the sides. We'll write minus 1, minus 1. So plus and minus 1 will be 0. We will write 2 power C over 2 power B, and B is 4. So we can write 2 power 4 equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. Now 2 power 4 is 16. We will write here 2 power C over 16 equal to 8. Or 2 power C will be equal to 8 times 16. So I will write here 2 power C equal to 8 times 16. We have 2 in the base. So let us write 2 in the base for our right hand side also. We'll write 2 power 3. It is 8. We'll write 2 power 4, which is 16. Now using exponent law, we'll write here 2 power 3 plus 4, which will be equal to 2 power 7. So 2 power C equal to 2 power 7. Our base is same. We are going to compare our exponents. So from here we can easily write C must be equal to 7. If I will write here ordered triplet A, B and C, then we can write from our values 2, 4 and 7. If there is no condition, we can consider the combinations of A, B and C. Let me write here. So I will write A, B, C, 2, 4, 7. Then we can write 2, 7, 4. Then we'll be writing 4, 2, 7. Then we can write 7, 2, 4. Then we'll write 4, 7, 2. Then we'll write last triplet 7, 4, 2. So we have 6 combo possible. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.